Assalamu alaikum, I'm Zishan. Today we are going to have a discussion on whether English grammar is a must for speaking of English language. Before we start the video, I would like to request you to subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and also hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of new videos whenever they appear on YouTube. So let's start the video. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, let's talk what grammar is. Grammar is a way of arranging words in a specific order. Every language in the world has its own grammar. So English is also no exception. The question arises, is it possible that we speak a language but don't know about its grammar? Yes, it is possible. For example, when we speak Punjabi, do we know its grammar? Likewise, English kids speak English but might not have knowledge of its grammar. So we can speak English without knowing about its grammar. We start speaking a foreign language when we stay there for some time for labor or business purposes. The question arises, why is grammar so important then, if we can speak any language without its grammar? Three basic things that we must keep in mind about learning of grammar of any language. We learn grammar because we want to be formal in speaking and writing. Number two, we learn English grammar because we want to look perfect in our expression when we speak and write. Number three, we learn grammar because we want to be able to pass examinations. Because in examinations, grammatically well-structured sentences are needed. So if we want to be formal, number one. Number two, if we want to be perfect in our expression when we are speaking or writing English. And number three, if we want to pass examination, we have to learn English grammar. So that's all from me. I hope you have learned what grammar means and why it is necessary to learn it.